Lasya. I am studying in 6th class. I am from Sri Chaitanya Olympiad School, Vijayawada, India. Today my project name is Dwiprudhvi. I am going to explain about it. Dwiprudhvi. Dvi means two, Prithvi means earth. Dwiprudhvi means second home in space. What is space colony? Space colony is a piece of earth created artificially in space. It is a permanent place where humans will survive, accustomed with all the facilities needed to the priest. Creating space colony means creating small, practical and beautiful world. Why do we need space colony? The resources on the earth are not going to be sufficient for the future. So, the human population on earth is going to explode, and the resources which help in the developing out and sustaining the human life are depleting. Challenges in space. For expanding our civilization in space, we have to overcome gravity, atmosphere, oxygen, food, water and high radiation. Why Dwiprudhvi? This is plan B. Plan A is to make our earth sustainable. This idea is when we fail to follow the sustainable development on earth. Design. Complicated one may look attractive, but it really may fail to work, so we took the simplest one. Torus is in symmetrical ways, so we can create gravity easily and evenly. This more surface area will be left for living. Our design have 4 torus. Torus 1 and torus 4 are in same size, and torus 2 and torus 3 are in same size, and there is a spoke attached to all these 4 spokes. Spoke is 10 meters long. Location. We thought to take Lagrangian points, but it takes huge cost for transportation. It is very difficult to bear the cost, and to make it light on budget we choose Leo. So we'll choose Leo. One major challenge posed is from space junk in Leo. So if, for example, if any pin comes and pokes our space colony, then the situation over there will be worse than Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So we have specialized robots which check and detect the movement of the space jump. If the space jump comes in the direction of our space colony moves likely to another direction. Next coming materials. We will make our space colony using alloy of magnesium, aluminium and titanium, because this alloy is less cost and it will be available in asteroid mining, and they are in lighter weight. These are covered again with carbon nanotubes to protect from high temperatures. Again, these carbon nanotubes are wrapped with lead glass to protect from radiations like UV rays and X-rays. Dimensions. Torus 1 and torus 4 are in same size and have same dimensions. Major radius is 250 meters, minor radius is 250 meters. Area of a tori is 4.93 into 10 to the power of 5 square meters. Area of both tori is double of 1 tori. Dimensions of 2 and 3 are: major radius is 500 meters, minor radius is 50 meters, and area of 1 tori is 9.787 into 10 to the power of 5 square meters. Area of both tori is double of a tori. Rotating paths. We need to create gravity, because if we don't have gravity, it may cause pooling of blood. So torus 1, 2 and 3 are human living places. So these paths will rotate so that we can create artificial gravity easily and evenly. Docking port. To control the air from not escaping this colony and maintain constant pressure, it is best to have only one door for both exit and entrance. To minimize the area consumed for public transportation, we have a space vehicle capable of 50 people. At an instant, 2,500 people can travel in and out of the space colony. Coming to human factors: gravity, food, water, oxygen and atmosphere, energy, temperature, thermal rejection, day, nights and seasons. Gravity. If there is no gravity, it results in pooling of blood and other diseases. Our immune system gets damaged, and it also leads to dehydration. Food and agriculture. We choose hydroponics because it is the best system in space, because it occupies less space, it takes limited water, and there is no need of soil, and it takes less insecticides and herbicides and pesticides. It uses less labor and saves time. Next, coming to water, we are going to synthesize water by Sabatier reaction. The reaction is CO2 plus 4H2 gives rise to CH4 plus 2H2O. The end products will be water and methane. Water will be useful for plants and household, etc. Methane could be used as cooking fuel in the households. Oxygen and atmosphere. We know that oxygen plays a very important role for us, isn't it? So we all create oxygen by electrolysis. Energy. We are going to use solar panels. Not only it is sustainable but also seems to be only practical way of creating energy in space. Today solar panels are capable only of capturing 41% of solar energy. So we are trying to develop the capacity of 100% of capturing the solar energy. Temperature. The living things need a moderate temperature for sustaining in the life. We are going to use a perfect combination of coolant and heaters to maintain the required temperature. We are going to use more coolants than heaters because the temperature in space is hot. Coming to thermal rejection, we kept materials which protect from heat. The carbon nanotubes reduce the effect of heat and radiations caused by the sun, the metal alloy. The lead glass will protect us from the harmful radiations. Further, we kept space between the metals to circulate water constantly for keeping the metals cool. Day, nights and seasons. To maintain human biological cycle, we adjust the rotation time of our space colony to 24 hours around the Earth. We can stimulate seasons by managing the temperature. Coming to controlling and monitoring system. It is the main in space colony. We will have this on the top of the space colony on the main spoke. It is comprised of scanners, missions, monitoring system, regulators and high-tech stuff. It keeps eye on basic support system and also offers protection against space debris. Coming to transportation, we are going to use Hyperloop for transportation because there is no friction in space. It can travel faster and easy through the tubes. They can reach speed up to 122 km per hour. Total cost of materials is 20,964,572,588 US. Total cost of infrastructure is 12,116,741,237 US. Total cost of both is 33,081,313,825 US. Coming to schedule of building, Taurus 1 takes 2 years for building, Taurus 2 takes 3 years, Taurus 3 takes 3 years and Taurus 4 takes 2 years. Spokes take 2 years, attachment takes 8 years, infrastructure takes 15 years and totally to build the space colony it takes 35 years. Thank you.